Hey investors, welcome to the show because you know what time it is? It's time to talk REITs, baby. We're diving headfirst into the high-stakes world of real estate investment trusts with two titans, battling it out for your hard-earned money, Camden Property Trust and Equity Residential. These aren't your grandpappy's landlords, folks. These are publicly traded behemoths raking in billions from the hottest apartment markets in the country. We're talking prime locations, top-notch amenities, and a license to print money from the endless demand for urban living. But which one of these REIT giants deserves a spot in your portfolio? That's what we're here to find out. We'll break down their histories, their strategies, and their growth potential so you can make an informed decision. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the stock market, that translates to profits. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready for a wild ride as we pit Camden against Equity Residential in this epic REIT showdown. First up, let's talk Camden Property Trust. Founded in 1982, these guys have been in the real estate game for decades. That's longer than some of you watching have been alive. Over the years, they've built a reputation for excellence and resilience. And let me tell you, they've learned a thing or two about making money in the apartment market. Their expertise is evident in the quality and success of their properties. We're talking about a company that's gone from a small-time operator to one of the biggest, baddest, publicly traded multifamily companies in America. Their growth trajectory is nothing short of impressive. Camden's secret sauce? They focus on high-growth markets, the kind of places where young professionals are flocking to and rents are skyrocketing. This strategic focus has been a key driver of their success. Think booming Sunbelt cities, tech hubs, and coastal hotspots. These are the areas where demand for quality housing is high and continues to grow. These guys know where the money is, and they plant their flags firmly in the path of progress. Their strategic location choices ensure they are always in the right place at the right time. But here's what really gets my blood pumping about Camden: their dividend growth. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing that success with their investors. These guys are committed to putting cash back in your pocket, and they've got a track record that speaks for itself. Their consistent dividend payouts are a testament to their financial health and commitment to shareholders. Year after year, they've consistently increased their dividend payouts, making them a dream come true for income-focused investors. This kind of reliability is rare and highly valued in the investment world. We're talking about a company that understands the importance of rewarding its shareholders, and they're not afraid to share the wealth. Their approach fosters a strong, loyal investor base. That's the kind of company I want to be invested in. The kind that sees its investors as partners in success. This partnership mentality is a cornerstone of their business philosophy. And let's not forget about their management team. These are the people steering the ship, and they do it with expertise and vision. These are seasoned veterans of the real estate world, folks who have weathered economic storms and come out stronger on the other side. Their experience is invaluable in navigating the complexities of the market. They're not afraid to make tough decisions, to adapt to changing market conditions, and to seize opportunities when they arise. This proactive approach keeps them ahead of the curve. That's the kind of leadership that inspires confidence, the kind that gives you peace of mind knowing your investment is in good hands. Their strategic foresight and decision-making are key to their sustained success. Camden Property Trust isn't just about bricks and mortar, it's about building long-term value for its shareholders. Their focus on sustainable growth ensures they remain a strong investment for the future. They're not just riding the wave of the real estate market, they're shaping it, anticipating trends and staying ahead of the curve. Their innovative approach sets them apart from the competition. That's why Camden Property Trust is a name you need to know. A company that deserves a serious look from any investor looking for a steady stream of income and the potential for capital appreciation. Their track record speaks volumes. Don't just take my word for it, do your own research. Dive into their financials, understand their strategy, and see for yourself why Camden stands out. But I guarantee you, once you dig into Camden's financials, their track record, and their future prospects, you'll be just as bullish on this dividend dynamo as I am. Their potential for growth and income generation is truly remarkable. Now let's turn our attention to the reigning champion of the urban apartment market, Equity Residential. Established in 1969, these guys practically invented the modern apartment REIT. They were pioneers in recognizing the potential of urban living and capitalized on it early. They've been at it for over half a century, and their experience shows in their impressive portfolio of properties. From modest beginnings, they've grown into a behemoth in the real estate world. We're talking about a collection of high-quality, strategically located apartment buildings in some of the most desirable urban and high-density suburban areas in the country. These properties are not just buildings, they are landmarks in their own right. Think New York City, Boston, San Francisco, Washington, D.C., Seattle, Southern California, the list goes on and on. These are cities that never sleep, and Equity Residential has a significant presence in all of them. Equity Residential doesn't mess around with secondary markets. They go straight for the gold, the places where everyone wants to live, work, and play. Their strategy is clear: dominate the most lucrative markets. And why wouldn't they? These are the markets with the highest rents, the strongest job growth, and the most robust demand for rental housing. It's a formula for success that they've perfected over the years. Equity Residential understands that in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. Their properties are always in the heart of the action, ensuring high demand and premium rents. And they've built their entire business model around securing the best locations in the country. This strategic focus has been a cornerstone of their success. But it's not just about owning prime real estate, it's about managing it effectively and maximizing its value. Their management teams are some of the best in the business. That's where Equity Residential's expertise really shines. They have a knack for operational efficiency and tenant satisfaction. They've got a team of seasoned professionals who know how to attract and retain tenants, how to keep occupancy rates high, and how to squeeze every last penny of profit out of their properties. Their tenant retention rates are among the highest in the industry. They're constantly innovating, upgrading their buildings, and offering top-notch amenities to stay ahead of the competition. From state-of-the-art gyms to luxurious lounges, they know what modern renters want. But what really sets Equity Residential apart is their laser focus on long-term growth. They're not just looking at the next quarter, they are planning for the next decade. They're not interested in quick flips or short-term gains, they're playing the long game, building a sustainable business that can weather any economic storm. Their resilience is a testament to their strategic foresight. They're constantly looking for new opportunities to expand their portfolio, to enter new markets, and to capitalize on the ever-growing demand for urban living. Their expansion plans are always ambitious yet calculated. And let's not forget about their commitment to sustainability. They are leaders in eco-friendly building practices and green initiatives. Equity Residential understands that being a responsible corporate citizen is not just good for the planet, it's good for business. Their sustainability efforts have earned them numerous accolades. They've implemented a number of initiatives to reduce their environmental impact, from energy-efficient appliances to green building practices. These efforts not only help the environment but also reduce operating costs. So there you have it, folks. Equity Residential, the urban apartment king, a company with a proven track record, a solid strategy, and a bright future. Their journey is a masterclass in real estate excellence. If you're looking for a REIT with a strong growth potential and a commitment to sustainability, Equity Residential deserves a spot on your watch list. Their blend of strategic vision and operational excellence makes them a standout in the industry. So, which stock is the better buy? Let's dive deeper into the details. Both Camden Property Trust and Equity Residential have their unique strengths and growth potential. They cater to different types of investors with varying goals. It's like choosing between a 5-star steak and a Michelin-starred seafood platter. Both are delicious and satisfying in their own right. Each offers a unique flavor and experience. Camden, the dividend dynamo, offers that sweet, steady income stream that's perfect for investors seeking passive income. Their reliable payouts make them a favorite among income-focused investors. They're all about those consistent payouts, rewarding their shareholders year after year. This consistency can be a cornerstone of a stable investment portfolio. On the other hand, Equity Residential, the urban apartment king, is all about growth and expansion. They focus on high-demand urban areas. They're laser-focused on dominating the hottest rental markets in the country, constantly seeking out new opportunities to expand their empire. Their strategy is geared towards capital appreciation. It ultimately depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking for stability or growth? Are you looking for a steady stream of income with the potential for modest growth? A reliable source of passive income can be very appealing. Camden might be your pick. Their consistent dividends can provide financial peace of mind. Or are you more interested in aggressive growth and capital appreciation? If you're willing to take on more risk for higher rewards, Equity Residential could be your ticket to REIT riches. Their focus on urban growth can lead to significant returns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stock analysis. Stay tuned for more insights and tips.